In this video, I'm going to show you how we spy competitor keywords and write SEO articles in one click, and how we took this one of the site from all the way to, ranking 2000 organic keywords, okay? Ranking in SERP features and, being in the top 3 to 10, right? So let me just show you how it is done. And no matter if you're beginner or advanced SEO writer, this tool is going to help you. And the tool which I was talking about is Arvow. So the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. Also use the coupon code which I give in the description to get additional up to 40% discount. Now this is an AI SEO writer that also has auto publish features, and also there's even AI SEO editor inbuilt in this tool, and there's many things which I want to show you. And when I go to the dashboard, we have articles. Under the articles, we have general articles, all articles, and AI SEO editor. And in the blog automation, we have integrations, campaigns, auto blogs to set up auto blogging. Okay, so if you want to don't have a look at the WordPress and worry about publishing every day, having a look at typing publishing manually, you can literally auto blog from this software itself. Now you also have lead magnets and AI SEO rank tracker, which you can have the metrics in LLMs, etc. Okay, you get to know how your articles are performing inside LLM searches. Now, with that being said, let me show you one of the features which is called AI SEO editor. When I click on AI SEO editor inside the articles, now it asks me write from scratch or start from a link. Now, if you observe carefully, it says paste any URL and will turn it into a draft. Now I will show you how it is done. Now click on start from the link, and here you want to paste your competitor article. Now let me just go and grab one of the competitor link. Now I'm going to paste one of my own website articles, just show you how it is done. And when I click on create draft, what it does is it's going to analyze every single thing in this blog post and it will create a draft. Now using this, I want to show you, this is an interesting feature right here. So it has fetched the entire article. So this is the article which I have written. Now it has fetched the entire article. Now let me just show you a interesting way to turn this. Okay, we are not stealing the content, but we are literally taking the the metrics, the tone, and everything, and keywords, the split keywords, the long tail keywords, semantic keywords, and we are taking inspiration and regenerating an article based on that. Now what you want to do is go to the AI assistant. Okay, so here you have a feature called AI assistant. Now literally what it does is it is an inbuilt AI assistant feature inside Arvow itself. Now what I'm going to do is, hey, I want you to recreate or regenerate this article. So let me just type in regenerate this article. Now I have given a simple prompt. Hey, I want you to regenerate this article for my domain called arvow.com. Subtle pitching to use my AI SEO writer as written by me. Okay. Now basically I'm telling to replace all this, regenerate and replace with a subtle pitch to my software. Now I'm just gonna hit enter, and it thinks, and in less than a minute it's going to rewrite, regenerate. It's completely take this article and turn it into written by you, a new article. Now it just finished in less than 30 seconds, and if you look at carefully, it is suggesting, okay, so it is suggesting, it's giving you advice, suggestions, and you simply have to click on so in the green words you can see, I simply have to click on this and click on accept. Okay, now I can accept and reject. Okay, so you just have to click on accept everything. Now it's a lot of work. You can go here and you can look at it. Now if you want to add something extra, so I can, right now you can see in this article there's no FAQs. Now I simply go to the AI assistant and type here add few FAQs, add 3 FAQs, right? Now hit enter and it's gonna do it for me. Now if we have 31 suggestions, I can accept all or I can reject all. Okay, it's in one go. Now I'll simply click on accept all and it will be done. The article will be complete. Now let's just wait for it to generate FAQs. Now you can see right here, it has generated, it has started generating, and it is generating FAQs before the conclusion. Right now you can see 3 FAQs. Now how, good this AI SEO editor is, right? So this is a very interesting feature, and this we have added recently, and I suggest you to try it out, and you can entirely try it out for free. Now you can check that out. You can also integrate your blog, no matter where your blog or domain, no matter where your blog is, even if it is Blogger or even if it is in custom WordPress website, you can literally integrate with the API, or you can directly take the credentials, create a user and set it up. Okay, so we even have the tutorial. Okay, so I just discussed all these things in the previous video, so I'll leave a link to the tutorial. So with that being said, this is how you take one of your competitor blogs and literally copy the keywords, long tail keywords, semantic keywords, and the tone of the article, and literally regenerate it and leverage AI to write articles for you. Now this is easy. This is one click, as you see. So as you saw, so all it is was one click and one prompt. And if you want this prompt, okay, let me know in the comments. I'll give it to you. Okay, with that being said, catch you on the next one. If you have any comments or questions, drop in the comments. I will answer to you.